Welcome to our English lessons. Today, we will be practicing our listening and speaking skills. We will also learn some interesting vocabulary. Our story for today is My Mother's Life Story. Listen carefully. My mother's life story. My mother was born in a small village. She came from a poor family. Her dad was a farmer, and her mom worked in a big house. My mother has 2 little brothers and 3 sisters. My mother was the oldest. They lived in a small house. Every day, her parents work hard to feed their children. But the money was never enough for their family. My mother was the smartest kid at school. She dreamed of being a doctor one day. She always works hard to reach her dream. After school, she worked as a hawker. She did that job to help her parents. One day, her dad was sick. They didn't have enough money for the treatment. 3 months later, her dad passed away. My mother was 15 when her father died. It was the hardest moment in her life. Her mom always supports her. She helped her as much as she could. With a great determination, my mother earned a scholarship to attend medical college. She worked tirelessly and became a doctor. A few years later, she came back to her village. She built a big house for her mother and siblings. She also opened a free clinic to help the poor. She named the clinic after her dad's name. Now, let's learn vocabulary, idioms, or expressions from the text. Worked in a big house. Worked in a big house is similar to housemaid. Example: Tim's mom worked in a big house since last year. Hawker. A hawker is a person who sells goods informally in public places. Example: There are many hawkers in New York City. Dreamed of. It means someone has a strong desire for something. Example: She dreamed of becoming a doctor. Passed away. Passed away is a polite way of saying someone has died. Example: Her grandmother passed away 2 days ago. Scholarship. Scholarship is a grant or payment made to support a student's education. Example: She got a scholarship for being good at math. Tirelessly. Tirelessly means working very hard without getting tired. Example: She worked tirelessly to help others. Now, let's listen to the story once again and repeat after me. My mother's life story. My mother's life story. My mother was born in a small village. My mother was born in a small village. She came from a poor family. She came from a poor family. Her dad was a farmer, and her mom worked in a big house. Her dad was a farmer, and her mom worked in a big house. My mother has 2 little brothers and 3 sisters. My mother has 2 little brothers and 3 sisters. My mother was the oldest. My mother was the oldest. They lived in a small house. They lived in a small house. Every day, her parents work hard to feed their children. Every day, her parents work hard to feed their children. But the money was never enough for their family. But the money was never enough for their family. My mother was the smartest kid at school. My mother was the smartest kid at school. She dreamed of being a doctor one day. She dreamed of being a doctor one day. She always works hard to reach her dream. She always works hard to reach her dream. After school, she worked as a hawker. After school, she worked as a hawker. She did that job to help her parents. She did that job to help her parents. One day, her dad was sick. One day, her dad was sick. They didn't have enough money for the treatment. They didn't have enough money for the treatment. 3 months later, her dad passed away. 3 months later, her dad passed away. My mother was 15 when her father died. My mother was 15 when her father died. It was the hardest moment in her life. It was the hardest moment in her life. Her mom always supports her. Her mom always supports her. She helped her as much as she could. She helped her as much as she could. With great determination. With great determination. My mother earned a scholarship to attend medical college. My mother earned a scholarship to attend medical college. She worked tirelessly and became a doctor. She worked tirelessly and became a doctor. A few years later, she came back to her village. A few years later, she came back to her village. She built a big house for her mother and siblings. She built a big house for her mother and siblings. She also opened a free clinic to help the poor. She also opened a free clinic to help the poor. She named the clinic after her dad's name. She named the clinic after her dad's name. Now, let's answer the following questions. Number 1. Where was my mother born? A. Big city. B. Small village. C. Farm. D. Log cabin.
Time is up. The answer is
Number 2. How many siblings did my mother have? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 5.
Time is up. The answer is
Number 3. At what age did my mother lose her father? A. 10. B. 15. C. 20. D. 25.
time is up. The answer is
Number 4. What was my mother's dream of? A. Becoming a farmer. B. Becoming a teacher. C. Becoming a doctor. D. Becoming a hawker.
time is up. The answer is
Number 5. What was the hardest moment in my mother's life? A. Building a big house. B. Losing her father. C. Becoming a doctor. D. Opening the free clinic.
time is up. The answer is Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.